good at something, never do it for free.
Hello, I am Dr. Cool Auto Fix, and today we're going to cover the top 10 cars that are notorious money pits. These vehicles are known for high maintenance costs, frequent engine or transmission problems, and poor fuel economy, making them tough choices for anyone who wants reliability. If you're considering buying one of these cars, be aware of the potential for frequent visits to the repair shop, which can add up over time. Let's dive into the list of cars to avoid and understand why they've earned their unfortunate reputations. 1. BMW 7 Series. Main issues: engine and transmission issues, electrical failures. Why it's a money pit. BMW 7 Series is known for luxurious features, but these come with complex electronics and high-tech components that are prone to failure. Issues with its V8 and V12 engines, along with transmission problems, have made it a maintenance nightmare. Additionally, repair costs are among the highest in the industry due to the price of parts and labor, especially for models with advanced technology. High repair costs. Simple repairs like replacing a water pump can cost upwards of $1,000. Transmission repairs often exceed $5,000, and electrical issues can be complex and costly to fix. 2. Mini Cooper. Main issues: engine failures, cooling system problems, and transmission issues. Why it's a money pit. While the Mini Cooper's design is beloved for its compact size and style, it's notorious for engine failures, especially with its turbocharged engines. Many owners report overheating issues due to failing radiators, water pumps, and thermostats, which can lead to engine damage. The automatic transmission is also prone to early failure, costing thousands to repair or replace. High repair costs. Turbo failures and transmission issues are common and costly. Expect repair costs upwards of $3,500 for engine repairs and around $6,000 for transmission replacement. Now 3. Range Rover. Main issues: suspension problems, electrical system issues, engine troubles. Why it's a money pit. Land Rover's Range Rover is a luxury SUV that comes with high maintenance costs and frequent breakdowns. The air suspension system is especially prone to failure, often requiring costly replacements. Its engine and electrical components are also unreliable, leading to expensive repairs. High repair costs. The air suspension replacement alone can cost over $4,000, and issues with its V8 engines can result in repairs costing upwards of $5,000. Nav 4. Chrysler PT Cruiser. Main issues: transmission failures, engine reliability, and overheating. Why it's a money pit. Although popular in the early 2000s, the PT Cruiser quickly earned a reputation for unreliability. Transmission issues and engine problems are common, with reports of frequent overheating. The plastic components under the hood are prone to wear, leading to coolant leaks and engine damage. High repair costs. Engine repairs often cost around $2,500, while transmission issues can lead to repair bills of over $3,000. Now 5. Chevrolet Cruze. Main issues: engine and turbocharger failures, electrical problems, transmission issues. Why it's a money pit. The Chevrolet Cruze is known for its high fuel efficiency, but its reliability record is poor. Turbocharger and engine failures are common in early models, with electrical and transmission problems also frequently reported. The Cruze's coolant system is prone to leaks, which can lead to overheating and engine damage if not addressed promptly. High repair costs. Engine repair costs can reach up to $3,000, and transmission replacements often exceed $4,000. Number 6. Ford Focus 2012 to 2016. Main issues: transmission and clutch issues, electrical problems, engine stalling. Why it's a money pit. The 2012-2016 Ford Focus models with the dual-clutch automatic transmission are infamous for transmission problems, including jerky shifts, clutch slippage, and stalling. Ford has faced lawsuits and recalls related to these issues, but many owners still report ongoing problems. High repair costs. Transmission repairs on the Focus can easily exceed $3,000, while clutch repairs typically range from $1,200 to $1,500. Number 7. Dodge Journey. Main issues: transmission failures, engine overheating, electrical issues. Why it's a money pit. The Dodge Journey has a reputation for being one of the least reliable SUVs in its class, with numerous issues in its transmission and engine. The vehicle is also known for its poor fuel economy, which adds to the long-term costs of ownership. The electrical system is prone to failure, which often results in costly diagnostic and repair work. High repair costs. Transmission repairs can cost over $3,500, and engine issues often require repairs in the $2,000 range. Nissan Pathfinder 2013-2016. Main issues: CVT transmission failures, cooling system issues, engine problems. Why it's a money pit. The Nissan Pathfinder's continuously variable transmission, CVT, is notorious for early failure, often resulting in expensive replacements. The engine's cooling system is also prone to leaks, leading to overheating and costly repairs if left unchecked. High repair costs. CVT replacements can cost upwards of $4,500, and other engine repairs often cost around $3,000. 9. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2014. Main issues: transmission problems, engine stalling, electrical issues. Why it's a money pit. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has had numerous complaints about its automatic transmission, with reports of rough shifts, stalling, and even sudden loss of power. The electrical system is also known to fail, leading to issues with the infotainment system and lighting. High repair costs. Transmission repairs for the Grand Cherokee can reach $4,000 or more, while electrical issues often cost several $100s to diagnose and fix. Number 10. Audi A4 2009 to 2014. Main issues: engine oil consumption, turbocharger failure, electrical problems. The Audi A4 is a luxury sedan known for performance, but also for consuming engine oil at a high rate, which can lead to engine damage if not monitored closely. Turbocharger failure is another common issue, and electrical problems with sensors and the multimedia system are frequent. High repair costs. Engine repairs can easily exceed $5,000, and turbo replacements can cost around $2,500. Owning one of these cars can be a costly experience, with frequent repairs and high part costs often outweighing the benefits of ownership. For anyone looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient vehicle, these models are best avoided due to the maintenance costs and potential for unexpected breakdowns. As Dr. Cool Auto Fix, my advice is to research thoroughly before purchasing, check for known issues, and always weigh the long-term costs. Investing in a car with a reputation for reliability can save you thousands of dollars in repairs down the road. If you own any of these models, be prepared for higher than average repair bills and consider routine maintenance to minimize issues.
Where did you learn to count?